Hey guys, and welcome back to another video from me. Today I'm gonna be telling you the recipe for the frozen honey jelly. So first, of course, you're gonna need honey for your frozen honey jelly. Then you're gonna need, you don't necessarily need water. You don't even need water, okay? You just need the water bottle. So I'm gonna go dump this out. Let's take off the lid. And we're ready. So now I'm gonna take a little sip. Because no way I'm gonna be able to chug that much water. Okay, let's go back over here. Okay, so now we have our water bottle, and we're just gonna pour. I'm just only pouring a little bit of this, because I'm not using all of this honey. There's like a quesadilla sizzling right beside me, and I accidentally burnt myself. Okay, I think that's enough. Oh my gosh, it won't stop flowing. Okay. Sweet. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the freezer for 2 hours. Let's put that in there. Okay, so it's been 2 hours, and now we're gonna take it out. I'm really hoping this worked. Why is it tipped over? Who tipped over my honey? Okay. Really hoped it worked. Okay. I've always wanted to try this. I swear if it doesn't work. I think I need to tilt it upside down so all the jelly, or whatever. Wow. Come on. Go to the top. Go. Go. Ah. Ow, that hurt. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Don't judge me. Okay. It's working. Okay. Hold on. Let me try and get it. Okay, so I'm still working on it. Look. Just need to get a little bit to the top so I can squeeze it out. Hold on, let me take this off so you can see what is inside. Come on, work with me. Work with me. I dropped it. Okay. Still working with it. Okay, come on. It seems like it's working. Oh, I think I got it. Let's try it. Ooh, it worked. It's really good. It's kind of hard to bite through. But yeah. So if you want to do different flavors, you're gonna have to do different things and like get a syrup. But honey, if you really like honey, this is for you. So good. This is my snack for the day. I'm so glad I did this. So if you really like honey, you should try this out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's take a picture.